Fl-2016 il-Bank Ewropew Investiment investa f'pajjiżna 160 miljun euro. Dan fil-waqt li fl-aħħar 10 snin l-ammont investiment tal-istess bank f'pajjiżna laħħaq il-500 miljun euro. Għal dan f'kumenti ma' One News Miguel Morgado, id-Direttur tal-EIB għal Malta.
This is a long-standing relationship indeed. I can tell you that over the last 10 years we have signed contracts with Maltese entities, project promoters for nearly 500 million euros.
L-aktar riċenti huwa l-investiment fil-proġett fil-qasam tal-Housing li sjara l-iżvilupp ta' madwar 680 appartament għal dawk l-iktar vulnerabbli. Iżda mhux biss. Il-Bank Ewropew Investiment investa f'numru ta' proġetti innovattivi fis-settur tal-enerġija u tal-infrastruttura fost l-oħrajn.
Malta has investment plans in order to boost its potential for economic growth. And it is a member state of the EU, it is a shareholder of the EIB, which we praise a lot. So we are one of the tools of the European Union by means of banking to precisely support the efforts of the country to foster economic growth.
L-ekonomija b'saħħitha li pajjiżna rnexxielu jikseb tul is-snin waslet biex l-EIB investa iktar u tul is-snin issaħħet ir-relazzjoni bejn Malta u l-Bank Ewropew Investiment.
So it is a very sound and fruitful relationship, taking into account also the magnitude of the country itself, of course.
B'dan kollu fl-isfond il-prospetti għalli ġej huma pożittivi. Bl-aspettattivi jkunu li bħalma ġara l-erba ta' Malita Investments ikun hemm aktar entitajiet lokali lesti li jikkollaboraw fi proġetti oħrajn.
I hope to find opportunities in the future to proceed with this relationship.